Hi everyone. So this screencast is a review video about compound sentences. After discussing and practicing this in class, if you ever need a refresher as to what a compound sentence is and how to create one, go ahead and watch this screencast. Compound sentences can be helpful when we're writing by varying the length of our sentences. This lets our writing flow better by using longer sentences rather than multiple short, choppy ones. So a compound sentence is formed by two independent clauses that are joined together by a coordinating conjunction. And we're going to go ahead and go over both of those terms right now. So an independent clause is a group of words in a sentence that can function on its own. So these clauses can be part of a longer sentence or full sentences by themselves. An example of an independent clause is shown here. I did not cheat on the test. The next sentence is also an independent clause. It was the wrong thing to do. Now, in order to form a complex sentence from these two from these two independent clauses, we need to connect them using a coordinating conjunction. Now, a coordinating conjunction is a word that helps connect phrases together. Examples of these include for, and, but, yet, and so. And there are lots more of those as well. To create a compound sentence now, we need two independent clauses. And notice how these two are related to each other. And that's important when we're writing so that whatever we write makes sense to the reader. So to connect the two clauses, we're going to trade this period at the end of the first clause for a comma and add our coordinating conjunction after the comma. So instead of two separate sentences, we would now have one full compound sentence that reads, I did not cheat on the test, for it was the wrong thing to do. And here's another example. Again, we have two independent clauses that can function on their own. The first one, Brenna came to my birthday party, and the second one, her brother Ryan stayed home. To join the two clauses together to form a complex sentence, we trade the period for after the first clause for a comma and add our coordinating conjunction after that. So now we have a full compound sentence that reads, Brenna came to my birthday party, but her brother Ryan stayed home. We can also make a compound sentence from more than two independent clauses. In this example, we use three related independent clauses that read, the ducks quacked, the second one, the horses neighed, and the third one, the farmer smiled. We can trade the two periods after the first and second clauses for commas and add our coordinating conjunction and here after the second clause. So now, instead of three short sentences, we have one compound sentence that reads, the ducks quacked, the horses neighed, and the farmer smiled.